Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video is going to be a collab with lovelywholesale.com. This is my second collab with them, so thank you to Lovely Wholesale for actually collabing with me. I truly appreciate it. If you guys are planning on buying from Lovely Wholesale, I would suggest you do it on Black Friday because they're having a big, huge saving. And if you ever went on their website, you know that they're very affordable and very trendy stuff, so you don't have to break the bank. And also you can use my code, which is brains20, for even more percentage off their website on Black Friday or anytime throughout the year. So let's get into these fits, okay? So the first item I wanted to show you guys is this jeans. I actually got these jeans in a size extra large, and they don't fit. They can't pass my hips. And for reference, I'm 5'6", I weigh 180, okay? I'm thick. My bust is a 37. My waist is a 33, my hips is a 45. So I got this in a extra large, and looking at it you think it will fit, but the hip part is not doing it for me. And it's this jeans with these design on the back, and it comes with two different. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this jeans because it definitely don't fit me. So this was a bit of a disappointment for me, but I'm going to show you guys how the model looks with it on. If you weigh less than me, it will probably fit, but for me it didn't fit. So this is the outfit. This was supposed to come with a corset, and I actually got this in a large. It fits perfectly, but it did not come with a corset. I don't know what happened there, but I love this. This is giving me I'm going to go grocery shopping vibes. I'm gonna pick up the kids from school vibes, chill. It's also perfect for fall, winter. If it's a bit colder where you live, you can throw on a nice jacket, a long line jacket, and dress it up. Or you can wear heels, or you can wear sneakers. I actually really love this design with their thumb being out, and this is how it looks. I actually got this in a large. So this is the next outfit. This is in a medium. Don't love how it fit, but I'm going to show you how it looks in on the model and how it looks on me. The leggings are way tighter, and the top is, the sleeves are a bit short, but I feel like this with some jeans or some high-waisted pants would look fire. I actually really like the top a lot, and I went with a medium based off the measurements on the website, but I don't know why I'm always playing myself. I should have got a large. It's a cotton material, so let's as you can see, it's tight. It's making my love handles bulge, so you already know it's tight, but I love the top. The bottom is too tight. So this is the next outfit. I didn't actually buy these to go together, but The top is in a medium and the bottoms are in a extra large. I'm gonna come up closer. This is how the top fit. If you wanted a more oversized look, I would suggest going a size up, but I feel like this top would be perfect for Thanksgiving. Yeah, nice simple top. It's also very warm. And then for the jeans, so this is how the jeans look. They're a bit long, so these you definitely have to wear heels with. And I like the cut up detail. This also have a little bit of stretch in them, so I think these will definitely fit if you weigh like between 180 190. So this is the next outfit. I got the top in a large, the pants with the split hem on the side in a medium. I got this in a large because a lot of people said it was tight, and yes, it's definitely tight. I would definitely say go a size up with this. I got a large and it's still tight for me, but they didn't have any other sizes. It's made of a nice thick wood material, so if you live in a colder climate and you want to go out but still look cute, show a bit of skin, you will be a-okay. I love these pants, actually really love these pants. I would definitely say get your original size. I could have definitely got a large just for comfortability's sake, but I still love these. I'm still gonna wear these. I love the design of them. So yeah, this is the design on the top. Love it. So I love these leather pants so much. I actually went on the website and bought them in a large, and I love them so much. They fit perfectly. As you can see, it's not having my love handles like squeezed in and having my belly looking all big and stuff, so I love it. So I'm definitely gonna give away the medium size one that I have, and also the jeans that I have with the straps in the back that don't fit. You would have to be anywhere from 140 to 150 to fit those. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram and then come back here and put your Instagram handle in the comment section, and I'll pick somebody random from the comment section and send those two items to. I haven't worn them. All I did was try them on, and the pants I couldn't try on. So if you think you can fit those, or you're between 140 and 150 as far as weight is concerned, I'll definitely send them your way. So yeah, these are a must-have, baby. This dress right here, it's in a large. Oh my god, this is probably gonna be my New Year's dress. This is bomb. I definitely wouldn't wear a bra with this. I will probably get some boob tape and tape up my boobs. But I love the design. I love the hand parts. Oh my god, it's a vibe. It's a look, baby. Oh, I forgot to add that the dress was in a large, and it's a mini, but it fits, it hits at the perfect length where I don't have to be pulling down my clothes when I walk. It's close to a midi, so it's a perfect dress. I don't like mini because I kind of have a big butt, and when I walk my butt kind of ride up my dresses, so I like my dresses to be midi length. But this one is a perfect length. Okay, perfect. Love it. So this is the next outfit. The pants are the same. Definitely could have gotten a large and I would have been fine. The top is in sorry, the top is in a large and it fits perfectly. I really like how it looks. The top also comes with some thongs if you want to wear it as lingerie. Really love this whole outfit. Okay, I think I saved the best for last. Well, the last two were bomb. Okay, I love the sleeves. I love how long they are, giving me cleavage. Okay, this is how the back looks. Okay, and this will have a real corset boning in it, so it's gonna slouch you in. Yep. So this is the last outfit. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below and tell me which outfit was your fave or which piece was your favorite, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.